for you.
Cranks over strong. I don't think it's getting any spark. Like it's turning, but it's not getting any spark. And I can tell you
Big ass.
that it's not a fuel issue because I tried to crank starting fluid directly into the intake and nothing. That's why I know it's
Could
gotta
you like
be
the
a spark
starter?
issue.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm sounding so super man.
Right.
So the head is fine and everything like that. There you go.
Yep, I mean it was my daily driver for 5 years.
If I can pop the heat. Yeah, it could be.
So I was telling him, over the years, I put a new alternator in it because I had a problem with it left me on the side of the road.
Right.
And the fuel pump went up about a year ago. I put a brand new fuel pump in it.
Okay.
And it's got a brand new exhaust. So
The battery probably did. Okay.
if I had more time to mess with it,
It's
I
cool.
would, and I'd sell it for more.
Right. Yeah, it could be.
That's kind of him, man. My neighbors are kind of uppity, and they're starting to say, "Hey, what are you doing with that? It's got fucking grass going up around it."
Yeah. Okay. Like it. Battery's probably.
Let's need a little paperwork here, and I'll make a copy of this. The only thing is, you can go ahead and load it up.
All right.
It's yours as far as I'm concerned.
Cool. And it's just the one key in there?
Yep, it's the key in the ignition.
Okay. Perfect. All right, y'all. So this is what I got. The battery did, so the hood ain't gonna pop. Damn. You about to get it towed. He just got this boat, y'all. He paid $2,000 for it, I think he said. I wasn't really listening. Yeah, the rims need to be cleaned up. So. You got the little tow hooks in. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Sorry, I signed it all on the back and everything, so
All
everything
right.
should be good.
All right, perfect.
It's officially yours.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Hopefully I can.
Yep,
Okay.
yep. It's tagged until August.
Oh, okay.
It's easier for me just to give it to you. You transfer it, because that way, when you transfer the registration, you don't have to pay to get it tagged.
Okay,
it's tagged
perfect.
until the end of August. That way, I just send in my.
Right.
Yep.
Oh, let me get out the way.
Well, what's strange is I parked it there.
You hook it up to
Only an ODB, like a regular scan tool, and it didn't really throw any, just like the regular O2 sensor codes, like the random stuff like that. But he's like, I don't mess with foreign cars. He's like, if it's a Chevy, I got you. It's like, if it's a Volkswagen, Audi, Volvo, Porsche.
With a hood, the hood doesn't pop unless it's discharged, right?
No, I get it.
Okay. Okay. I just want to peek under there real quick on one. Anyway, I don't know if I could probably.
There's a tab right here.
I don't know if I can restrict it. So these foreign cars are definitely so different. Like the battery there.
The funnest thing about this car is it's the biggest engine you can get in the smallest package that Audi offers.
Right.
It's all-wheel drive.
Is this the turbo?
No, that's
No,
the
the turbo. Okay. No, I mean like the car. Is this a turbo? It don't got
it's the
turbo.
3.0 V6.
Probably can swap it out.
The 1.8 turbos had a lot of issues, mainly with the turbos and the seals.
Yeah, I see.
The 3.0s are supposed to be the bulletproof motor,
Right.
but like I said, there's something. I'm almost sure it's a relay under the dash, but
That's what he remind me of. The last
I used to
one.
have a Jeep years ago.
I love that thing.
And I flipped my Jeep, fucking with my friends, off-road.
I wrecked my first one. I got a nice little scar to remind me not to drink and drive.
Yeah. I went up the hill.
Y'all, this is the new project. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think I paid for it. That's the new project right here.
Coming down. I drank way too much. I was
Right
so
there.
off and I hit a pothole and had some water in it.
Sorry, this video is not that good. I wasn't trying to put people's faces on film, but it's about to go in the tow truck. So just bought it from this guy. So this is it. Looks good, don't it? There it goes. I would wear these cloth shoes and get my feet wet.
It's a bittersweet moment.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see it go, but it makes me sad at the same time. Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah. I mean, I paid $2,000 for it as is.
Bought it for $2,000.
Fuel line. Just had to run fuel line.
That's pretty cool though. Like the pattern.
Yesterday.
That's pretty cool. It's gonna make my
So
YouTube.
when you gonna take it out?
I was hoping to be nice today, but I don't think that's in the cards.
I'm too scared to get on the boat. It's sad because my grandmother goes out boating and stuff.
I tried to take it out last weekend. I got it out there and
There it goes. That's a cool boat, huh? Nice boat. All right, y'all. There the car goes. Y'all see it back at my house. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. And also go to my other channel, which this will be on Nini's Auto and Reviews. Nini's Auto and Reviews. This is where this car will be. I can't talk. Porsche Panorama GTS. Panorama. Did I say it right? It's the Porsche Panorama. Porsche Panorama GTS. Damn, I'm reading.
Goodbye. Bye.